Today in this video, we are converting slaked lime into calcium chloride.
So let's start the video. Chemicals that you need for this synthesis is hydrochloric acid and slaked lime. Start by adding 42 grams of slaked lime in the beaker. Then add 56 milliliters of concentrated hydrochloric acid slowly in it. Now filter the solution to remove unreacted substances. After filtration, boil the solution and reduce its volume 3/4 of its original volume.
5 hours later.
After reducing its volume and crystallizing, the crystals has formed on the bottom of beaker. To remove these crystals, filter the solution through the filter paper. After dehydrating the crystals of calcium chloride, the crystals look like this.